Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening settings and tapping battery so you can see live numbers. This gives an immediate snapshot of percentage, temperature, and top drainers. Once done, note any apps using disproportionate power and make sure to plug in a reliable cable if you plan to run a diagnostic. If Realme's built-in view lacks detail, install a Qoo battery now. It records discharge curves and estimated capacity, so you can compare measured milliampere hours versus the rated capacity. Next, run detailed checks. Open the dialer and try **** 4636 #** for Android battery stats if your Realme build supports it. This shows voltage and battery health flags. Then perform a controlled discharge with a Qoo battery. Let the phone run from about 90% down to 20% while recording mAh delivered and estimated capacity. While testing, watch temperature and charging current because heat and inconsistent input reveal hardware or charger problems. To finish, compare the measured mAh to the battery's rated capacity. If you're below about 80%, expect reduced runtime and consider replacement. Once done, calibrate by charging to 100%, letting it sit an hour, then discharging to near zero one time to align software readings. If readings remain inconsistent, reboot the phone, install system updates, test in safe mode, and only then contact Realme service. These steps resolve most software mismatches before you pursue hardware repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.